Go up the mountain and crack walnuts to eat.
Good. Go now.
Ouch, I want to dance once. Ah, ha ha ha. Quick, go, go, go.
Beat the walnuts.
Just chop some bamboos here.
Good. Here's one.
Oh, crack some walnuts. The fatty can't run anymore. Hurry up!
Ouch! Hey, ha ha!
Catch him.
Good. Stop here. Stop the donkey fight here. Check this out.
Go pull down the high ones. I'll pick all the low ones.
Let's see who hit the most. Just go back, throw away the walnuts to eat.
Hey, pay attention. Oh dear. The more you say it, the more you change your mind.
Sister Keqi, go away fast. I'm finishing in just a few strokes.
Keqi, I'm afraid this is enough.
Brother Mang, then come down and check it.
Sure.
Let's go home.
Keqi, go get some honey from your house. Let's eat walnuts.
If you are not afraid to be stung, just go and get it.
I am not afraid.
Brother Mang, choose a bucket yourself. Don't blame me if you get stung.
Good. Just let it be.
Be careful.
That's so comfortable.
Quick, open it.
Keqi, look at this!
Whoa, that is big. Faster break it.
That's good.
When it's over, my hands will be black like this. It's a month since I couldn't wash it off.
I think that is how it should be.
Give it to the chicken. Whole walnuts. You need to eat more of this brain supplement.